baby. Yes! That's a twofer. Twofer, baby. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Yes, again. That's a 3. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Barak.
There it is. 3, baby, in 10 minutes.
Oh, my God. The winds have really picked up and through here. And there's another one. That's number... You gotta be kidding me. Wow. You can have your $500 million jackpot in Powerball or whatever the heck it was, but I'll take this, baby. 4 lightning strikes, 4 episodes of Thunder Snow. I could hear thunder, so we had another one. So we actually had five strikes, 5 thunder. I mean, this is just a total change. Literally within an hour.